Office Zong Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District ring kat ka jing lang bat ka fellow kara penmi ia ka ka program kerpang na ka benta ki samla wat kam sorkar bat ki badang pen kre ya ka exam ka bla tip kum ka app base coaching for government job aspirants na ka benta ki samla ki bla pendap ya ka class 12 na ka benta ki kam sorkar prepare ha ka jula bat kum juru ha ka sorkar pedeng Haba crunch kila patai kubor nakaliang apilaj baranwal Deputy Commissioner Riboy District ringkad uba Eric K. Dakhar Additional Deputy Commissioner Riboy kila pentim baka neka program kadai ka bakerpang shiki samla watkam kibla pendap ya ka class 12 but ya ka neka program la rai badstang nadu upanai leber arja prio akaba ka by register kanlong sanspa tingka Weu samla wat kam hynrei la bha kerpangi samla na Riboy District hakaba saus pa tingka on kershan da sarkar kat ba shis pa tingka kadai ka ba ki samla wat kam ki haban siu khnang ba kinshim khia ye ke jingi kai ling ba ki te ki program ila pentep ru ba ki samla wat kam ki bakwa ban penrung kertengila di hakate ka program kila ban let link ba ka link https://tanurel.com/25c5rwpc hakaba kinsadan shibon ki program nadu ki live classes bat ki samla wat kam kila ban shong ye ki class bat lada kim lapor kila ru ban pen de ki class bala dep record lupa nakaliang kita ki he officer ke district gila ongru ba ka thong jongkabor district ban shim ya ka senjam kalong ban plela ki samla wat kam ke district ba kin shoot yala ki jabieng namar lala bonsien ba ki samla ki biang ha ke english ke general knowledge hynrei ki duna bha ha ka bayade bat ka mathematics but reasoning kumta kila kerpat yu ki samla wat kam bakin shim ya ka nie ka kabu ban pinkre ila die na ka benta ki kam sorkar prepare ki balat ha ka district ha ka jilla bat kumjuru ki pos jong ka sorkar pedeng.
So we have not launched the app. What we have done is there is an existing app called Philo. We have partnered up with that company. We have asked Philo to create content specifically meant for those students who are looking for government jobs, who are preparing for government jobs or competitive examinations. So during the coachings that we provided to the students for DSC examination, we realized that there is no coaching over here existing. Simultaneously, the students are poor in reasoning, they are poor in mathematics, English they do very well, GK they do well, but because of being poor in mathematics and reasoning, they are not able to qualify or compete for national examinations like SSC, like railways, like banking, like etc. So we have partnered up with this organization. We have created this entire content which will have adequate, which will have live classes on all these subjects: reasoning, mathematics, English, and everything, including GK, computer, and other things. And these classes will be available to students through that app itself. And I myself use the app. It does not consume much data also. And if the students are not able to attend these live classes, these classes will be uploaded on the portal itself, on the app itself, and they can listen to them. They can attend these classes whenever they want. And after every class, there will be a quiz also. So whatever you have learned in the class, that you can test through the quiz. Apart from that, there are many other features like for example, there will be test series for every student. They can access almost 10,000 questions, and these 10,000 questions are organized into different types of test series which are modeled on railways examinations, SSC examinations, banking examinations, etc. And they can test how do they fare in these examinations. Secondly, there will be, based on the quizzes and the competitive and on the test series, they will get personalized feedback. For example, the app itself will tell the student that you are doing good in English, you are doing good in mathematics, but your reasoning is not that good, and you should improve your reasoning. You should improve these chapters in your reasoning. so the students will know that they should go and revisit those videos. Simultaneously, there will be option to clear doubts, that if any child gets any doubt, they can immediately ask any teacher, and within 30 seconds the app itself will give the answer, and the teacher will clear all the doubts. So we have secured funding from Niti Aayog. The usual app charge is rupees 500 per month for any normal student. But for Ribhoi, what we have decided is we are going to fund rupees 400 per month from district administration side, and rupees 100 will have to be borne by the student. Why we are charging rupees 100 to the student is because we feel that if they will pay, they will be sincere also in attending the classes. What we are doing is anyone who is class 12th pass and is still eligible for competitive examinations or government jobs, for example, DSC's age limit is 37. So somebody who is even up to the age of 37, they can apply and they can easily register themselves. And once the app is formally launched in Riboi, once the scheme is formally launched in Riboi, we'll register them automatically. So we have circulated one link, we have circulated a poster. We request all the youths who are looking for government jobs, who are preparing for it, that this is a golden opportunity. This kind of online structured coaching along with test series and all is available to them for the first time at a very, very reasonable rate, and that they should take advantage of the same. We have secured funding for 7,000 youths of Ribhoi, and we want to ensure that anyone who is looking for government job should enroll and should get the help.
Pi baro kani kadi kajing pun bana pai ba kham tam namata ki khna puli te ka office jong u deputy commissioner ri bhai district ka comment ban bana ya ki pai ba shpang ka program ai jing hikai kerpang lani ka special coaching program nak benta ki samla ki batmu banya khun ya ki examen kam sarkar bapher kum ka MPSC ka DSC ka banking lani ka SSC bat kum tar te Di yakani ka coaching program imut yazdang no ha ubnai balai lani ubmach arajar arpau hynrei. Kani kalong ka lat ka bakerpang lani ka pioneering initiative na kabenta ki samla puli jongka district Ribhoi jungi. Kimat bakongsan jongkani ka program ki longkumni. Ki kelas pa man kasngi kindon ki live classes namenta ki subject bapher Badru shubu pimlap pan attend ya ki live classes pila banyo ya ka jinghikai lengba ki recordings jong kini ki live classes te ya kini ki live classes kin ai hakapor mapi ngobit mapi ban attend ya kita ki class ban ya ka timings ru in sim kat kum ka jing don kam jong pi te kani kan play lat banyo jinghikai hakanu kanu kapor mapi ngo luy shushu kin don ru ki session banhikai ya ka subject elementary maths nabenta kitu ki batmu banyo jing penchai bakerpang khamtam hakani ka subject kabaar kalong ka jing yarap jong ka artificial intelligence te hakajuk ka bamenta ngilayak tip ba ka artificial intelligence ka de ka ba yarap ha mentang yaki nongpuli tang ba yaki haka office ru te kandon ka jing yarap nakikor advanced artificial intelligence ban pensyai bat ban pensuk ya ka jing puli ka kabalai kalong ka jing tunju ya ka sap laning indon ru ya ki test series hadin kini ki live classes bangin penlong di kindon ki competitive test series bat ki academic content ru bangin share lengba kanika program ki bapura bat ban penbit penbiang ya ki samla kabasau kalong kajing ai jing mut lani ka career counseling ti hakapor ka bamenta ngi sothu ba bun ki khna samla jungi kimda shai bha kanu kala bikin sim hadin bakil adab ya kajing puli ti kani ka program kan ai ru ya kajing rap bat kajing pensyai halor ka lawai kamai jakpo jung ki samla ka basan padeng idon ya ka gamified learning karukom hikai kan long ka basko tenat lengba ki games bat ki program ki ba penslur ya ki samla kani kan aila di ki candidates ban simbenta haka rukom hikai ka ba tip kum ka competitive learning di haka kabai jing puli lani ka fee structure jong kani ka program kan lokum ni di kani ka sinjam ka bakerpang bat ka sarkar kala amang khnang ban pelong ya kani ka ba bet bat ban simbenta da baro di kajing kersian nakasorkar kalong saus pa tingka si bena ya ibai candidate but kajinglut nakabenta nakaliang cho kisamla kalong tang si spa tingka si benai te banchuang biang sa sisin kabay coaching kasorkar kan ajing kersian saus pa tingka si benai ya ibai student naman ta ibai student but kajinglut nakaliang jo kitu ki student pa dia kan day tang si spa tingka si benai kiwei dia kijing bentoy ba kinyo kisamla nakani ka program ningkong kadi ka jingirap lang ba ka AI kilat puli kiba pensultanat pen bernia lani ka gamified learning ki khubor pinyo ru ki khubor si pangki ki exams ki banwan ya di upcoming exams banwan pinyo ki exam update hakanu ka tarik hakinu ki tarik ni apply hakinu ki tarik inlong ki exams kum ta ter but ka jing batai benya si phang ki jing tlot lani ki jing khlan jong ki samla puli banchim ya kanika coaching before ka jing batai benya si phang ki jing tlot bat ki jing khlan jong ki samla puli lani ka personalized feedback di kumta la kan tu ki samla bakwa ban yakun yaki kam sarkar yaki exam jong ki sarkar prepare banchim ya kanika kabu but ban enroll no kloy nakabenta kalaway ka ba pernai jong pi di kan link ban enroll ngilaya share lang bat kanika video boleh sibun